Today we're discussing a fantastic way to bring warmth, charm, and a touch of handmade coziness to your living space: knitted cloth covers for coffee tables. These covers are perfect for transforming a simple coffee table into a cozy and inviting focal point in your living room. If you're a fan of knitting, DIY projects, or just love creating that snug vibe at home, you're in for a treat with these knitted designs. Imagine how much more inviting your coffee table can feel with a knitted cover draped over it. Coffee tables are central in most living rooms. They're practical, stylish, and bring everyone together. Adding a knitted cover is a simple way to bring warmth and personality to your space, elevating your decor while adding a unique handmade touch. Why choose knitted covers? First, they bring a cozy aesthetic to any room. There's something so comforting about knitted items, and they can turn even the simplest living room into a warm retreat. Handmade pieces carry a personal charm because they're crafted with care, adding colors, patterns, and textures that reflect your style. These covers aren't just beautiful, they're functional too. They protect your table from scratches and spills, which is especially helpful if you have kids or pets. The cover provides a gentle buffer for drinks and decor, giving you peace of mind and a stylish upgrade all in one. One of the wonderful things about knitted covers is their versatility. You can change them out for each season or mood. Light pastels in spring, soft neutrals in summer, and warm, earthy tones in the fall all create a lovely seasonal ambience. Switching covers is like giving your living room a mini makeover throughout the year. Plus, knitted covers add texture that makes a room feel layered and inviting. From smooth, simple stitches to chunky, bold textures, knitted covers can be customized for every style. Now for design ideas. For a timeless look, start with a simple stitch pattern in a neutral color like beige or soft gray. This classic style pairs well with any decor and is perfect for beginners. If you love texture, chunky knitted covers are perfect for you. They add depth and drama to your coffee table, creating a warm, tactile focal point that's perfect for those colder months. Using thick yarns in colors like oatmeal, charcoal, or blush can create a cover that's both cozy and visually striking. For those with intermediate knitting skills, a cable knit cover might be the perfect project. Cable knits look stunning in a living room and bring an elegant, high-end feel without the high-end price tag. Using a cream or ivory yarn will keep the look classic, making your coffee table feel like a luxurious statement piece in the room. If you're more into modern styles, consider a color block design. Choose 2 or 3 colors that complement each other and knit them in blocks or stripes. This style adds a playful and contemporary twist, perfect for brightening up a neutral room or complementing a modern, minimalistic decor style. Another fun idea is adding tassels or fringe around the edges for a boho-inspired look. This style gives a laid-back, playful touch, perfect for a cozy, earthy aesthetic. Earthy colors like